This is the Nuwave Smart Heated and Rechargeable Coffee Mug. It is 16 ounces and it comes with customizable brew modes, as well as up to a 5-hour battery life. And inside this video, we're going to be thoroughly testing out this mug to see whether or not it's worth buying. I'll be going over things like the unboxing, then we'll dive into all of the different modes and features, and then lastly, I'll wrap it up with a test to see how long it takes to brew some tea. I'm very excited that Nuwave sent this to me to review because I'm going to be testing out to see whether or not the temperature gauge is accurate. But before we get into all of that, here's the unboxing. Inside of the box, you're first going to be greeted with a quick start guide and user manual. We'll then see the mug itself, the heating plate, the charging brick and charging cord, and finally, the coffee grounds filter. I'm happy to say that the brewing container fits very well on top of the mug, and then once you're done brewing your tea or your coffee, you can remove this and then attach the plastic lid to keep your drink even warmer. While using the included base, you can expect temperatures up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. And while operating on the rechargeable battery, you can get temperatures up to 150 degrees. When you first put the mug onto the charging base, you will see an LED battery display pop up. I would say that we are currently at around 60% battery based on the LED. To turn on the base and the mug, we're going to go ahead and press and hold on the Nuwave logo. You'll see a hello icon, and then you'll see a bunch of different options appear on the base, like brew, black tea, green tea, coffee, hot, warm, and of course the logo. And because we don't have any liquid in our mug right now, it shows empty on the display. Once I add some liquid to the mug, it will go ahead and give me the degrees of that liquid, so 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is expected coming from my water bottle. I can once again click on the Nuwave logo to change it to the warming function, where I can select the different degrees Fahrenheit that I want, or I could change it to a timer. So I could say that I want my drink to be that warm in 1 hour or 45 minutes, all the way down to 1 minute. Then you can always go back and see your battery percentage, and if I click again, it will go to the current temperature. The warming feature will automatically start at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can adjust that on the mug. The hot feature will go to 150. I want to check to see if the temperature inside the mug matches the temperature displayed. It says that the current water temperature is 71 degrees, and I'm getting 70.7 degrees with a thermometer. So that is pretty accurate. Before we brew some tea, our first test is going to be how long does it take to reach 150 degrees. So I'll go ahead and turn on the Nuwave. I will go ahead and press on the hot option here. It will beep twice, and it will start heating up the water. I'll start the timer, and we'll see how long it takes for it to reach 150 degrees. We just hit over 100 degrees, and it has been 12.5 minutes. So we didn't exactly make it to 150 degrees in a reasonable amount of time, and this just goes to show that the Nuwave is designed to keep things at a certain temperature and not bring them up to a boil, which is exactly what we will be doing in our second test. We will be brewing a bag of black tea, but in order to brew it, we do have to boil the water first and then put it inside of the mug. Once we have the bag of tea and the water all ready to go, we can click on the black tea option and then hit the brew button, and it will keep the temperature at 205 degrees for 3 minutes while the tea brews. And this is what the tea looked like after those 3 minutes. In my opinion, it perfectly brewed the tea. It stayed around 205 degrees Fahrenheit the entire time, as you can tell from the thermometer test. And overall, I'm really happy when using the brew feature on this mug. But where this mug really shines is by keeping your temperature of your drink in between 135 degrees on the warm setting or 150 degrees on the hot setting while removed from the base. So this means that if you have some tea or some coffee and you haven't finished it, you don't have to worry about it getting cold, because you could keep it at 135 to 150 degrees at a perfect hot or warm temperature and drink it on your own time. So when it comes down to it, I can definitely recommend picking up the Nuwave Smart Heating Mug, especially if you want something to keep your drinks warm off of the base. If you're like me and you like to enjoy your tea over a long period of time, this is going to be the solution for keeping it warm or even hot. And even though it does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery built inside the mug, if it ever does run out, you can put it back on the base, charge the mug, and keep your drink warm. If you're interested in checking out the Nuwave, I will go ahead and leave a link down below this video to the Amazon listing so you can see the current pricing. That is an affiliate link, and if you use it, it will help out the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.